Hi, hello everyone. My name is Pranaykadari. Currently, I am working as a DevOps engineer in Hyderabad, Telangana. How are you all? I hope everyone is doing good. Today we are installing Jenkins in Google Cloud platform. So, let me open my Google Cloud login page.
Yes, this is my Google Cloud login page. So here we have multiple options like Compute Engine, VPC, Kubernetes Engine, and building, API services, etc. So let me take Compute Engine, and in Compute Engine, VM, Virtual Machine Instance. So here we can install a, here we can launch a instance. If you take in AWS instance, EC2 instance, here VM instance. So VM means virtual machine instance. So here let me, for Jenkins we can take as a web server. So here application server and etc. is there. So new VM instance. So I am giving instance name as Jenkins. We should not case sensitive. We should not use capital letters. So Jenkins server, and region I'm selecting India, Mumbai. In Mumbai, Hyderabad both we have. Delhi it's showing also. So let me take Mumbai region and Asia South 1C. And machine configuration currently we are using E2. So it is showing the monthly estimation. So forget about that. And it's showing 2 CPU, 4 GB RAM. We can modify also. So I will show you. So available, this is if you want more usage, we can take high memory, high CPU. So we have large instances, large VMs. We can take 16 GB RAM, 32 GB RAM. So for us, 4 GB RAM is enough, more than enough for Jenkins installation. And then yeah, here it is boot disk. Here we can see the name and type and storage. So here we can modifying the Ubuntu. So I'm comfortable with Ubuntu, and I'm taking the storage 30 GB because if we do some installations, 10 GB is also good enough, but I'm taking 30 GB for other projects also. So it's showing monthly estimation $32, so no problem. So it's like an easy creation, like Facebook, Instagram account creation only. If you want, I will show you how to create a Google account also. It's very easy to create Google account. So I'm enabling firewall, hello HTTP, hello HTTPS, and let me revise the things. New VM instance, the name is Jenkins server, region Mumbai, and type machine configuration E2, 2 CPUs, 4 GB RAM, yeah, E2 medium, 2 CPUs, 1 core, 4 GB RAM, and boot disk Jenkins server name 30 GB, hello HTTPS, and I'm clicking on create instance. So that's it. We are launching a VM virtual machine in Google Cloud. Same if you are using AWS or Azure, same everything, the steps are same. Like giving name and selecting storage and operating system type Ubuntu or etc. So for this, okay, you are created VM, and how to access it? How will you access? By using Google Cloud Shell. So open new tab and type download Google Cloud SDK for Windows. So click on the first link, official site. It's better to install from official website Google Cloud, and here we have the steps. It's very simple. With this application we can use it. So this is the format step 1, step 2. Simply you can click on the Google Cloud installer and it's showing download option. If you click save, it will download. In my laptop, I have already downloaded Google Cloud SDK install. So now I am cancelling it. So open the Google Cloud SDK. So here our instance is launched. Meanwhile, the Jenkins server is installed. We can stop, suspend and reset. So here click on SSH, the arrow symbol. Click on Google Cloud command and copy this. By clicking this, the entire link will copy and yes, copy this one. Copy this and open our Google Cloud SDK shell. Simply we can paste it and click enter. So after pasting the Google Cloud link, click enter and now the putty terminal will open. We all know putty, Movaxstar, putty, these are the applications to log in into our instance. I mean whatever the instance created in Google Cloud, how will you access that? Now we can close this Google Cloud SDK shell. I'm closing it. Now I'm maximizing this putty server. So here it's showing my configuration, username pranaykadari, the server details, the storage. So by using Movaxstar or also we can log in into our VM. So it's by default opening the putty. So it's no issue. So here I will increase the font size and here appearance, change settings and appearance and change the point. I'm giving 14. I'm giving the size 14. Yeah, I'm giving the size 14 and giving the bold font style, apply. Now it's good to see the Ubuntu user I'm using, the system load and memory usage and blah blah blah. So I'm sudo space -i. I'm coming into the root user. I'm just clearing the screen. Here by default the git is installed, git ---- version. Java ---- version. The Java is not installed. So this VM by default the git version came. So who am I? The pranaykadari, the user. And if you type without the spaces, who am I? It shows a root. Currently I am in the enter. Who am I? Where the server is, I think it's stuck. Yeah, showing the root user. So Jenkins.io, I'm opening the official website, clicking on download. Here we have the option LTS, long term service. The right side one is the developing version. We have to must use the download Jenkins LTS, long term service. So I'm using the Ubuntu server. So let me click on the Ubuntu. So here it's a very simple one. Copy and paste in the putty server one by one. First 2 lines copy. The DBL means Ubuntu also, don't worry about it. So copy the 2 lines and paste in the putty server. That's it. Next copy another 3 lines. Right click, copy and shift insert. In the server we can use the shift insert, it will paste. Now the last line, copy and paste it. So it is installing the Java. Java and the sudo yum update apt, sorry, sudo is for Amazon Linux. As this is Ubuntu user, we have to use apt update. So it is installing the Java dependencies, sudo apt get. Previously it's aborted, so I'm copied again those lines and I'm pasting it. Again it's installing, and so we have to type yes. Y. Previously I typed the letter Y, that's why it's not installed. Now the Java is also not installed, so let me install Java by copying this line apt install opengdk 11 jre headless. So see, we should type yes. So it's installing. The Y means also yes only. Y stands for yes. So here the Java package is installing. Sorry, Java hyphen version. So Java OpenJDK 11 is installed. So now we have to install the Jenkins, but here Jenkins is not installed. System status. So we have to type the sudo apt get install Jenkins. So if you want to install Jenkins, the Java is must and should. So just now I installed Java, now I'm installing the Jenkins. Sudo apt get install Jenkins. This time we have to give the yes. So it's waiting and looking and it's installing. So it's installing the Jenkins. So it's installing, it's taking some time. So let's wait. Setting up net tools, I'm setting up Jenkins. So what happened? It's stuck or something. Okay. Let's wait. No problem, because Jenkins is it's the heart of the DevOps, and everyone knows it's important tool. So let's try. Yeah, it's installed. System CTL status Jenkins. It's actively running. So here we have to copy the IP address. So this is internal IP address. If you give this IP address, it doesn't work. So let me try. -IT 8080. The Jenkins by default, the port number by default Jenkins port number is 8080. So it is internal IP. With internal IP, we can't open the Jenkins dashboard. Which IP address we have to use? The external IP address we have to use. So I'm refreshing the page. So here we have the external IP. So this is the public IP address. If you use the AWS cloud, you will understand. I mean, private IP address and public IP address. Internal means private, external means public. So here, this time I am giving the public IP address. It means external IP address -8080, the Jenkins dashboard. Before to open Jenkins dashboard, we have to copy this path. Cat means I'm just clearing the screen. Clear. Cat space. This path we have to give. In this path, we get the password for Jenkins. So I'm copying this password and I'm pasting here administration password. And click on continue. Don't save. And install, click on the install suggested plugins. So it will take 3 to 4 minutes approximately. And yeah, it will take 3 to 4 minutes. Let's wait. Yeah, it's taking time. We have to wait. So this is our installing, still keep on installing. So meanwhile, let's see our Google Cloud page. So here you will get after registering the Google Cloud, we will get that 24,000 rupees INR, Indian rupees, and we can use it for 90 days. For me, it's still 51 days remaining. So October 1st, it's due to regulatory. So you be careful with your payment issue cards, and we have to give our Visa, Rupee, debit cards or credit cards. But be careful when you exceeding the amount above 5,000 like that. In our account, we have 24,000. It's more than enough. And this is our how to install Jenkins. Once again, I'm showing Jenkins.io page. We have to click on download, and that's it. It's almost installing. Few more minutes. Yeah. So first we have to give our username, Pranay, Jenkins, whatever you can give, pranaykadari or something, whatever you can give, and give a simple password and write down in your notepad or somewhere, because once you forgot the password, it's hard to forget the password. If you forget the password, it's hard to install again. So I'm giving full name and I'm giving my email address, pranaykadari@gmail.com. So please write your password in notepad or in a notebook and click on save and continue. And this is the URL, Jenkins URL. If you go to the real time, this IP address will show you. It will show some Amazon.Jenkins, Amazon/Jenkins, like that. So Jenkins is ready, start using Jenkins. So this is the Jenkins dashboard, and this is our URL IP address. And thank you for watching this video. And again I will come with new video with some projects. We will do some projects on Jenkins also. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and like. Thank you all.